In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom shapes in Confluence. By the end, you'll know how to open a Draw.io board inside a Confluence page, choose the exact shape libraries you want, and save everything neatly to your page. Start by opening your Confluence site in a browser and head to the space or page where you want your diagram to live. Pick the specific page you want to work on so your changes go to the right place. Make sure you have permission to edit that page. If you can see the edit button, you're good to go. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the editor, press the / key to bring up Confluence's quick insert menu, then type Draw.io. This filters the options so you can quickly find the diagram tools. If you don't see it, your workspace may not have the app enabled. Ask your admin to confirm. Select Draw.io board from the menu. You'll see an insert panel with a plus icon. Click the plus icon to insert the board onto your page. This creates a canvas where your diagram will live and opens the configuration area so you can tailor the shape libraries before you start drawing. Now let's load the shape libraries you want. Open the Shapes panel and you'll notice you can choose from different categories. Pick the categories that match your work so you don't clutter the canvas with tools you won't use. Choose Standard for core diagramming blocks like rectangles, arrows, and connectors. These are great for general purpose diagrams. Add Software if you need UML, flowcharts for dev processes, or common system icons. Select Business for process diagrams, org charts, and strategy or workflow elements used in operations. And include Other if you want extra or specialized sets that don't fit the main groups. You can combine multiple categories to create your own custom toolbox tailored to the diagram you're building. When your selections look right, click Apply. This loads the selected libraries into your palette so they're ready to use. With the board configured, click Publish to commit the board to the page. You'll be prompted to add a file name. Choose a clear descriptive name so teammates can find and reuse it later, for example, aligning it to the page topic and date. Finally, click Save. Your board is now attached to the page with the shape libraries you selected. That's it. You've added a Draw.io board, chosen custom shape categories, applied them, published the changes, and saved the diagram with a proper file name. Anytime you need to tweak the libraries or update the diagram, just edit the page, open the board, adjust your shapes, and publish again.